Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome to our quick fix guide for 2025. If you're scratching your head because your AI features aren't showing up on Snapchat, don't worry, we've got you covered. This is episode 266, and by the end of this video, you'll be back to enjoying those fun AI filters and interactions in no time. Snapchat's AI tools are super popular, but glitches can happen due to updates, settings, or even your device's setup. Let's dive right in and troubleshoot step by step. First things first, make sure your Snapchat app is up to date. In 2025, apps evolve quickly, so head to your device's app store, search for Snapchat, and hit that update button if there's a new version available. This often resolves compatibility issues with AI features. Next, check your internet connection. AI on Snapchat relies on a stable Wi-Fi or data link, so if you're on a spotty network, switch to a stronger one and restart the app. Now, let's look at permissions. Go into your phone's settings, find Snapchat in the app permissions section, and ensure it has access to your camera, microphone, and storage. Without these, AI won't function properly. If that's all set, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, offload the app and reinstall it to refresh the data. Another key step. Double-check your account settings within Snapchat. Open the app, tap your profile icon, go to Settings, and look under Privacy or AI Preferences to make sure features are enabled. If you're still facing issues, try logging out and logging back in, or even reinstalling the app entirely. This can reset any temporary bugs. If none of these work, it might be a device-specific problem. Ensure your phone meets Snapchat's 2025 requirements. Most modern devices should, but older ones might need an upgrade. And as a last resort, contact Snapchat support through their help center. They can investigate account-specific issues. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, your AI should be up and running smoothly. Remember, tech can be finicky, so patience is key. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay connected and snap on. Thanks for watching.